If you're considering eDesk for your help desk solution, there are 12 essential things you need to know before making a decision. Whether you're looking for something more user-friendly or better at handling customer interactions than other options like Zendesk or Freshdesk, you'll want to stay tuned for this comparison. The first thing to note about eDesk is its focus on e-commerce. Unlike general help desk platforms, eDesk specializes in helping e-commerce businesses integrate customer service across different platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. This unique feature sets it apart, making it a good choice for businesses selling through multiple channels. Next thing, eDesk offers a single view of all your customer interactions. This means whether your customers reach out through email, chat, social media, or even a phone call, everything will be in one place. Compared to other platforms that require integration of multiple tools, eDesk makes this process simpler and more streamlined. The third thing is eDesk's automation features. With customizable workflows and automation roles, you can save time on repetitive tasks. It automatically assigns tickets to the right team member and even allows automated responses, which is a big plus for businesses with a high volume of customer inquiries. The fourth thing is reporting and analytics. eDesk offers detailed insights into customer satisfaction, response times, and team performance. While platforms like Zendesk provide reporting, eDesk's ability to track e-commerce specific metrics gives it an edge for online retailers who want to measure the effectiveness of their customer support. The fifth thing to know is the multilingual support. If your business deals with customers across different regions, eDesk makes it easier to communicate by supporting multiple languages. This is a major advantage over some competitors that lack robust translation or multi-language capabilities. Next, eDesk has built-in integrations with popular e-commerce tools. From CRMs to shipping and inventory management systems, eDesk integrates with a wide range of apps, which means you don't need to worry about managing a patchwork of tools. This makes it far easier for businesses to operate without switching between systems. The seventh thing is eDesk's pricing structure. While it's fairly affordable compared to big players like Zendesk, it doesn't always offer the flexibility in pricing tiers that some businesses might need as they scale. If you're running a small to mid-sized business, though, it offers great value for the price. The eighth thing is the knowledge base feature. eDesk allows businesses to create self-service knowledge bases for customers, making it easy to find solutions without contacting support. It's a useful addition, but not as comprehensive or customizable as some competitors like Freshdesk, which provide more robust support center features. The ninth thing you should know is the mobile app eDesk offers a mobile app that lets you manage support tickets on the go. This is helpful for teams who need flexibility, but the app experience could be smoother compared to competitors like Zendesk's app, which is more polished and feature-rich. The 10th thing is eDesk's team collaboration tools. It allows you to add internal notes to tickets, tag team members, and track who's handling each issue. While these features are great for collaboration, other platforms like Freshdesk offer even more advanced teamwork capabilities, such as shared ticket ownership. The 11th thing is its email ticketing system. While eDesk integrates with a variety of communication channels, its email ticketing system is its bread and butter. However, if you need sophisticated email ticketing features, platforms like Zendesk could offer more advanced options with their customization abilities. Finally, eDesk's customer support is solid, offering email, chat, and phone support, but it might not be as responsive or available as competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which provide 24/7 support for premium tiers. So, is eDesk a good option for your business? Absolutely, especially if you're running an e-commerce focused operation. It offers solid integrations, automation, and reporting, making it a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a more robust help desk solution overall, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.